Alright guys, Sponge 420 coming at you. Today we got some Millennium packs, 4, and I got 2 movie packs just to get some foils, you know what I mean? Alright, let's break into this one. Yeah, pick these up as GameStop. They're pretty cheap. 5 cards in each pack. 4 ultra rares, 6 super rares, and 10 rare cards. The rest are commons. Ooh, look, Celtic Guardian. The first one for today. Nice rare. Looks pretty cool actually. Huh. Ooh, Dark Paladin, very nice. I'll go into the Spellcaster deck. Black Illusion Ritual, very nice. I'll place it now. Scapegoat, oh class, what a classic card. Nice one. And Tiger Axe. Something over there. Pack number 2. All first edition. What? Oh my god! Another Celtic Guardian straight off the bat. Rare. What the hell? 2 words. Cool. Karibo. Whoa. Old one. Nice. Launcher Spider. And Ring of Destruction. Cool. I'll go into my Zone Destruction deck. Class. 2 Celtic Guardian rares. Nice. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Straight away, like. Alright. Number 3. Oh. Yeah! Nice! Xyz Dragon Cannon. Nice one. I'm going to my machine deck. Sweet. Guilford the Lightning. Shrink. Nice card. Always nice to get. And another Ring of Destruction. And Launcher Spider as well. What the hell? Cards just repeating. That's rare. That's rare. Alright, let's see if we can get a foil out of this one. Pretty good cards out of these. Oh my god! What the hell? Another Celtic Guardian. Look at that. A playset just off the bat. Pendulum Machine. Shame it's not actually a pendulum monster. Crush Card Virus, nice. Bursted Days, cool, I have one of these actually. Strange effect. And another Launcher Spider, what the hell, I've got... that's really weird. Look at that. I played it already. Might have to make a Celtic Guardian deck. Alright, now let's try these babies. Nothing but foils in these. Hopefully get some Blue Eyes cards. Something like that. Alright. Oh, Lemon Magician Girl, finally! For the fucking Magician deck. Sweet. Okay. Very nice. Oh, class! Ganadora X, the Dragon of Demolition. That's really sweet. Really cool. Fairy Magician Girl. Yay! And Gyra Guy, the Cubic King. Sweet, I already have one of them. Oh, and a Cubic Seed. Sweet, this guy is a balls. Just can't be destroyed by battle or anything. He's just... do not like him at all. Class though. Really nice cards. Wonder if we can get more Magician Girls to face the Blue Eyes. Here, Karibo! Nice! Yes, there. Ooh, Planium Oracle Mahad! Hola! Another Spellcaster, sweet. Assault Wyvern! Jesus Christ, I've got loads of these now. Whoa! What the hell? Crimson Nova Trinity of the Dark Cubic Lord. 4,500 attack. Nice. Nice. And Celtic Guard of Noble Arms. Isn't that fitting? With our three Celtic Guardians. What the hell? This has just been Celtic Guardians all over. Wow. Well, that's all today. Might have some more soon. And some live duels, possibly. We'll see. And I'll have to make an intro for a special DH in mind. Anyway, that's all from this one 420. We'll talk to you guys in the next episode. Peace out.